usually arbitrage sellers have lead lists, which needs to be updated over time, right? And for example, you build your lead list somehow, like you analyze products and spot products and save them to Google Sheets. And the problem is that that you know prices on Amazon are changed over time and costs are changed over time too. So and the the Excel and Google Sheets is not allows you to update those data over time. And I know people build some automation on top of Google Sheets, for example, but if you have a product stored in a database, you'll be able to send them to analysis right from here and get new products. And like you just pick some, like for example, you're going to order products from specific supplier, right? And you just pick them and send them for, like, we will add these buttons soon, it's not ready yet. You send it to product analysis, and you'll get the price list analyzed like this. And then you see if it's profitable, and you can just go to your supplier catalog and update prices, like set like 31 for example, and see in real time if it's still profitable. Because price list analyzer have a current Amazon prices. Here you can able to edit prices in line and find if they still profitable, and you reanalyze product like this, and then you just create a purchase order, and that's it, you're done.
Oh, a little follow-up question. You said it kind of takes the prices from Amazon. How often does it update the price from Amazon?
Yeah.
Just curious.
Um it works on demand, so once you
Mm-hmm.
click analyze products, we get
Oh,
prices update for you.
cool, cool. That's
Yeah,
nice.
I know some people like prefer to like run constantly and get notified on if it like profitable.
Mm.
But we take different approach. We
Mm-hmm.
allow you to pick any product from your list and send for reanalysis to get products realized in the moment you just um you just hit the button. By the way, you can reanalyze some, you can just click reanalyze and we will create a new batch for you, like this. I just pick 12
Mm.
products,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
you can reanalyze. Actually, if you have a price list, you can reanalyze it every time. You can pick specific product to reanalyze, or if you online arbitrage seller, you have your spreadsheet with all the data inside. You just can upload it as a price list and use ASIN as identifier, so we don't need to match products for you. You just upload it, and we reanalyze this product and get some get product updated for you.
Mm-hmm. All right. Pretty
Yeah.
clear, man.